Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 300-watt LED drivers. Now wire 120, 220, or 277 volts AC to the input. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. Finish wiring the LED load to the output. If the load is greater than 300 watts, the output will flash strobe. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Now we add a second reel, still under 300 watts total load. If the reel is 35 watts, then 8 reels can be powered comfortably by a 300-watt driver. The 2 reels dim just as seamlessly as one. Thank you for watching.